Hey, have you ever heard of the never-ending burping soda? Yeah, I heard it's on the kid to the hospital. Whoa. I dare you to drink it. I don't know. Oh, just do it. It'll be funny.
What?
I guess. Well, you actually did it. Are you okay?
Class, has everyone finished the test? Good. Good. Now who can answer question number 1? Yes, you in the back. Samantha?
Okay. The answer is May.
Mortified. And now we'll hear from our class valedictorian, Samantha Jones.
I would like to thank my teachers for helping me achieve all of my goals. I would also like to thank my parents for being so supportive at home. I would also like to thank Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Mr. Coffee. How can I serve your coffee needs?
Well, what are your milk alternatives? I think I'm lactose intolerant.
Well, we've got rice milk, soy milk, almond milk, soy-free soy milk, triple gluten dairy-free goat-free milk, and shade-grown socially conscious non-milk milk.
Wow, that's a lot of milks. I'll have a latte with the shade-grown, socially conscious, non-milk milk.
That'll be $18.50.
Do you take cards?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gross.
My mother lived a very good life. She lived to be 91. She died of a little-known gastrointestinal disorder from when she was 11. It was terrible. She was known for her